In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this liftgate handle garnish on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Using a trim tool, get underneath the back cover. And we're just going to pop it down. It's just got push pins holding it in. See all the push pins. Disconnect the connectors. There's just a little tab here. Push on that tab, slide that in. There's another one right here. Push that, disconnect that. Right here. And right there. Using a 10mm socket, take these nuts off. Using a magnet to grab the nut. There's another one right here. And there's two more on the outside. Off, and then do the same for the other one. Now grab this panel. It might be clipped in a little bit. Just slide it up. There's a grommet right here. Grab the grommet. Slide that out. Disconnect the connector. There it is. We're going to transfer the switch over. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these two screws out. This button slides out. Just pops out. If you need to, you can use a trim tool. And take the wiring harness off. Just follow it back. If your vehicle has the switch right here, you're going to transfer that over as well. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these three screws out. Oops. Pull that switch off. There's a little cover right there. And I'll just slide it through. And it comes right out. Because our vehicle has this button, we're going to take this cover off here, use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these three screws out. And take that cover off. We have to swap the emblem over. It is a good idea to get a new emblem because then you can start fresh with a new double-sided tape. This will be a little bit of a chore, so we're going to take a heat gun, just heat it up. Just keep moving around a lot. You can also heat up the back side a little bit. Just want to melt the glue. Take a trim tool, just get underneath. Just pry up gently. And just peel that up. Comes right off. You want to clean off the rest of the double-sided tape. Take the emblem. You want to put double-sided tape on the back side, or if you have a new one, you can take that sticker off. We're just going to use some RTV to hold it on. Line the pins up and push it on. And we'll let that dry. Take this button off. If it didn't come with the switch, you just have to pop it out of the old trim piece. We're just going to slide this in here. Go through. Get that switch lined up. Just push that in right there. This button is going to go right there. Put this bracket on. Just untwist the wires a little bit. Take the screws, get the screws started. And just snug those down. Put the other screws in. Snug those down. And these two screws are going to go in the switch. And just snug those down. Take the wiring harness. Just line the wiring harness up. So it's out of the way. That's good. If your vehicle has a backup camera, you're going to have to remove this piece. Just use some side cutters. Just cut on the couple spots right there on the side. Even using some needle nose pliers. And just pop this off. You can clean up the edges with some sandpaper. That should be good. Slide the wire through. Push the grommet through just so it seals properly. That's good. Line up the studs. All right, that's lined up. And once it's down, push it in place. There's a couple push pins. It's in. Take the nuts. We'll get those started on the studs. Once those are all on, then we can tighten those down. Just snug. Connect the connector right there. These connectors. And this connector. Slide this cover in place. And line it up. Make sure it's all the way down. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.